So for retail, from single shopping sites or retail sites to vast shopping complexes, these are the questions I'm asked most often about the Terrorism Protection of Premises Act. Under the Terrorism Protection of Premises Act 2025, a lot of retailers feel that if they're inside a shopping centre, then they don't have any compliance issues or anything that they need to do to be compliant with the legislation. Unfortunately, that's not necessarily the case. Clearly, generally, most shopping centres will be in scope of the legislation by dint of the fact that they can have 200 or more people on site at any one time. But if you have an individual retail unit inside that shopping centre that can also expect 200 or more people inside their retail unit, then they will also be in scope. And even though the shopping centre will have its own public protection procedures and/or measures, that retail unit will also have to have its own public protection procedures and/or measures. But they will also need to make sure that those dovetail with the shopping centre that they're in, so they work in conjunction with one another and not separately. It is an edge case. If you have a site that its fire capacity calculations say that it has a capacity for 1,000 people, but realistically, or it has never had, in over a year, more than 600 people on site at any one time, you have a capacity calculation that's going to say you should be in the enhanced tier, but actually you can prove or you can show that you only ever get 600 people on site from time to time. Provided you can show evidence of that to the regulator and you are able to justify it, then you should be able to say, actually, we're not in the enhanced tier, we're in the standard tier. But do be cautious, because if the regulator comes along, sees your fire capacity calculations, you're going to have some pretty stringent evidence to show them, actually, we're not in the enhanced tier, because it never happens. We're definitely in the standard tier. Every retail site will have a fire evacuation plan. Under the Terrorism Protection of Premises Act, you need to have a public protection procedure which enables evacuation in the event of a terrorism incident. Now, the key difference here is under a fire evacuation plan, you're getting everybody out of every exit as quickly as possible. Under the Terrorism Act, you don't want to push everybody out of every exit as quickly as possible, because you may be pushing them into the path of a would-be assailant. You need to have a mechanism to be able to direct people away from the danger and out of safe exits, not just use every exit. If you want to find out where your organisation stands within the Terrorism Protection of Premises Act, head over to provarisk.co.uk, click the Are You in Scope button, answer a couple of questions, and we'll let you know everything you need to do.